there, it's Elaine. Anyway, I wanted to share some recipes that I have from the Food and Wine Festival. I actually attended one of the classes when they used to have cooking classes and demonstrations at the food festival, and this was really a fun activity to do. You got to watch the chefs make this, but also at the end of the class / demonstration, you would get a sample, and then they would also give you a recipe, so you could go home and make this yourself. So I wanted to share this. And then also later in the video, you'll see that when you purchased Memory Maker, they actually gave you recipes with your purchase of the Memory Maker, which is kind of like the Photo Pass, but it's a package deal that you add to like your Disney travel package. And I got a couple of those cards from, I think it was 2016, and I figured I'd share those with you too. So enjoy. I hope you make these recipes, and I hope it comes out really delicious.